Question number 14. Required mirror or glasses has broken or damaged attachments onto vehicle body. Touch the window glass and see my window glass is present, no crack, no damage, nothing broken, and properly attached to the tractor body. It's good. My side mirror is present and properly attached to the tractor body. My side mirror is neat and clean, and there is no crack, no damage, nothing broken on the side mirror. Now check the windshield by touching it and say my windshield is present. There is no crack, no damage to the windshield, and windshield is properly attached to the tractor body. Now check the hood mirror and try to shake it and say my hood mirror is present and is properly attached to the tractor body. It is neat and clean. There is no crack, no damage, nothing broken. It's good. Now check the back glass. Climb the tractor from the back and touch the back glass and say my back glass is present. There is no crack, no damage on the back glass. It is neat and clean, and it is properly attached to the tractor body. Now check the other side of the hood mirror and other side of the window mirror and the glass and do the same and say it's good. Now read minor or major in the Schedule 1 and describe. If required mirror or window glass fails to provide the required view to the driver as a result of being cracked, broken, damaged, missing or maladjusted. If required mirror or glass has broken or damaged attachments onto vehicle body, these are the minor defects. I will note down in my logbook, call the operator, and I can drive.